Christmas, babe. Wow! He's got a good arm on him. Woo! Yay! Clap your hands, Jack! Yay! Do you like your basketball hoop? Woo! Are we hungry? We've been opening toys. Come on, put the balls in the hoop. Do one at a time. Woo! Boom, all right, yay! Ooh, look at you. Woo, woo, yeah. You're making me tired watching you. Look at you. Do you like your basketball hoop? What do you think, Dad? Does he like it?
He likes it.
I think Santa was very good to you this year. Was Santa good to you this year? Yeah? Say thank you, Santa. Did you say thank you, Santa? I think Santa got it mixed up that if you were naughty, you got good toys. Put it in her. Wow, you are doing good, buddy. Woo! More? Woo! Put it in the hoop. This is the basketball hoop. This is the hoop.
Throw it.
Don't. Yeah, let's not get hammered. Can Daddy shoot a ball? Let Daddy have a turn. Ooh. Look at Dad. Woo! Put it in the hoop. All right. Whoa. All right. Yay. Oh, he's going from. Woo! Did you see that? He rode the rim. Yeah, you did.
Good job, buddy.
All right. Do you rule?